guys? Welcome back to another episode of Pt.2 TV. It's me, Devin, and today I'm doing the new and improved What's Inside My Tackle Box. I did one a couple, like a week ago with my old tackle box, and now I'm going to do one with my new tackle box. And I'm just going to give you guys some, stuff in this day box that I made. This is like a Senko box. This is just like an emergency box that you guys should always have when you go fishing. We're gonna go into what's in this, then we'll go into what's in that. So let's get started. We're gonna open this up. Alright, so the top is kind of like the boring section. We got like a few cranks. We got bobbers. I don't know why I have those there. We got some other like imitation baits, spinner bait, jig spinner, sunny imitation, bluegill imitation, minnow spinner. So yeah, now we're gonna move in to the second one. The second deck, we got hula popper, regular, I guess you call it a crankbait frog. My popper frog's usually in here too, but I actually have my popper frog at home on one of my rods. But then this is a little section with hooks, weighted hook. Down here we got some shad imitations. And here we got a little jig. And here we have a really old crankbait. Okay, moving down here to my Senko section, we got some crayfish lures, got some silver Senkos. I'm a very big fan of Senkos. We got some brush hogs, 3 size, these are 5 size. A bunch of different varieties of Senkos, Gary Yamamoto's, a bunch of that stuff. Now, this is the exciting part in my bottom section. So, this is where I keep some of the big stuff, some of my best stuff. So first up, got a brand new Whopper Plopper Plop Daddy right here. We're gonna open this up actually. I got this today as a birthday present from Daniel. He's recording this video. We're gonna whip out the Whopper Plopper. I've wanted a Whopper Plopper for a while. Finally got it. So we're unboxing the Plop Daddy. So, this is the package, Whopper Plopper. Okay, this is the Plop Daddy, right here. Amazing bait. If you guys don't have one of these, you guys should really go pick it up. Okay, so this is the Whopper Plopper. Set that aside. Next up, we got 700 yards of 10-pound monofilament. And here we have my Berkeley digital scale. I got a jumbo bag of Senkos. Got my Abu Garcia tag thing for my bait caster. Got another scale. This is like an old-fashioned one, but I only use it to measure the fish usually. They have a big box of shank hooks. If you guys don't have shank hooks for bass fishing, you guys should really use these. They work really well. We got a package of Senkos, hooks, an X-Acto knife, a new old backup reel, some jigs, just some random soft plastics, some crappie panfish baits. It's got drop shot hooks, jig head hooks, a bunch of mini
Jig body.
Yeah. And we got some organizers for up here and a crayfish lure. So that's just about it for in here. We got some hooks, but now we're gonna put all this back.
day box.
So this is like something that everyone should have when they go fishing, at least in my opinion. It's just a day box that has some Senkos in it, some emergency stuff that you guys should have. Alright, so let's get into it right now. So, what I have in here, first up, we got some crayfish brush hogs. Next up, we got some, these are the size 5 brush hogs, these are the size 3 brush hogs. We got a green and back pepper speckled Senko, silver Senkos, red and black shiner Senkos. We got a jig head. This is used for like catching panfish or crappie. Big section of hooks, just in case. A knife just in case you need to like cut line or cut something. All I have in this day box. You guys should always carry around a day box if you guys don't want to carry around a jumbo tackle box. So yeah, guys, that's basically all that's in my stuff here. If you guys want a part 3, that will be coming out soon when I get some more stuff. So yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.